good guys, it's Asia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a Silk Elements review of their Pure Oils collection that I received from Salad Beauty Supply, and it's supposed to help with your scalp, which I'm really excited to share my results with you guys because you know that I have moved to Dallas and my scalp has been going through some changes with this climate and I'm just not here for it at all. And I'm also going to be sharing with you my twist out results using the new Eco Styler Gold Gel. Now, Eco Styler tried it with the pricing, okay? I bought this offline for $18 and then, you know, I'm just going to the hair store, minding my own business, walk past the Eco Styler Gel, and what do I see? 32 ounces. 32 entire ounces for $10.99. I paid $18 for this, okay? Eco Styler tried it. They tried it so hard because they know that this right here is not worth no $18 if I could get this for $10. What? I just really need you guys to check your local beauty supply store if you're interested in trying this product. Make sure that they don't have it before you drop $18 on something that should really be $5.99. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on this Eco Styler Gold Gel apart from the price, just in performance and scent and everything throughout this review. So let's get into it.
So I'm popping this thing off with wet hair and I'm gonna put in this pre-shampoo treatment. Now this is so thick, oh my goodness, but it has a really nice scent and it gives you that smooth little tingling feeling on your scalp, which I absolutely love. So I went ahead and I smoothed this throughout my hair and twisted my hair in 2 sections, and I allowed this to sit for 1 to 3 minutes. Then I followed it up with the clarifying shampoo. Now this smells really good. It has a light tingle to it as well. It does feel clarifying, but it doesn't feel drying. I love that I could detangle with it. This is not moisturizing though, so I would not be rough with your hair, but you can definitely get some detangling done with it, which I absolutely love. Next, I'm gonna follow up with this deep treatment mask. Now this is very thick in consistency as well. I love how smooth this glides through the hair, and as I did the other products, I went ahead and massaged it into my scalp really well, and this is what my texture looked like. And I twisted that down and then massaged it into my scalp a little bit more, and then I let it sit. Now once I rinsed everything out, I dried my hair off with a microfiber towel, and this is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and spray in the hair and scalp mist, which is a leave-in spray. Now I love how much hair this spray covers. I love spray leave-ins. They're so convenient for me, and I love when it doesn't take a lot of products or a lot of sprays to mist all of your hair. This product was not that moisturizing though, which was surprising for me. So I definitely would use some sort of cream moisturizer after this. I followed that up with the smoothing oil blend. Now this feels really smooth on the hands, so I went ahead and smoothed it through my hair as well, and I loved how my hair felt once I had sealed it all together. Now I went ahead and did the Eco Styler Gold Gel, and this has a really bomb smell to it, you guys. I really love how this smoothed my hair out. My hair was not as moisturized as I would have liked it to be using the pure oils, so this went ahead and added that extra oomph of moisture that I needed, and my curls and hair was just popping to the maximum. This is what my twists look like, nice and juicy. Check them ends, girl. This is about to be a poppin' twist out. You can always tell by them ends. So this is what my hair looks like after it dried. I waited about 14 hours. I did sleep with these overnight. I did not stretch them at all. This is just the elongation that I got from the gel. And I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that oil to remove the cast off of my twists. And I just went ahead and ran that through my twist, and then using a ponytail, I'm gonna section off a little bit of hair to start taking down. Now I just pull the hair as I go out of the ponytail. That way I don't like miss any twists or whatever. So now I'm in the front and I'm going to show you guys my definition that I got. Look at how poppin' this is. This gel really did its thing, and my scalp feels so bomb because of the Silk Elements. So I'm really happy right here. Y'all can't see my joy, but that twist out got me too excited. So yes, this is definitely my best twist out to date. I am so pleased. I just love this twist out so much. So this is the final definition. This is what we're working with. I'm not gonna separate further because I'm just feeling this definition, girl. And I hope you guys are feeling it too. So I went ahead and put on some more gold gel on my edges just to make sure that everything was nice and slicked down, and that's it.
That's it, you guys. I absolutely love this twist out. Now when my hair is super defined like this, I can't bring myself to separate further. I know it would be so cute. I want to enjoy it for at least 24 hours and just let my hair grow over the course of a week. So I definitely will not be separating, but I love it. I love how full it looks. The size that I did my twist was a very smart size because you can't see my scalp when I turn from side to side, which is very good. Also, I love the Soothe Elements collection. Now, what would I repurchase from this collection? Personally, I would get the leave-in spray and I would repurchase the oil. Now, the other products I do love, they do help to soothe my scalp, but I already have products that give me that minty tingle. Once I run out of them, you know, when I run out of everything, I would repurchase the hair mask because it felt really good on my scalp. However, my main issue with that hair mask, it does not add in moisture. I have other hair masks that give me that same minty feeling, but they also moisturize my hair really well. So that was kind of my main con with that, is that it didn't leave my hair moisturized. The clarifying shampoo is perfect. If you don't have a clarifying shampoo, it does soothe your scalp, which I really love. So those two, it's kind of like depends on my mood type of thing, but this spray and the oil I would definitely repurchase for the mere fact that you can use that at any point, girl. If your scalp is itching, you can spray, and it does help. You can also use the oil for multi-purposes, like, you know, oiling your scalp, or you could use it to take out your twist out like I did, and it really left my hair so soft. Those two are definitely my favorites. And the pre-poo, I mean, it's good, but I feel like my Giovanni 50/50 that I used to pre-poo, it does just fine. Like, you know, it wasn't like a miraculous thing, but it did work well. So hey, if you're into that kind of thing, I definitely recommend you try it because I did like the way that my hair felt. And my hair overall throughout the entire process, I did not lose a lot of hair. This is the amount of hair that I lost during the washing and styling process, which is very small, okay? That is a good amount of hair for a week of shedding and everything. So that's definitely a collection I would look into if I were you, and if you have, you know, scalp issues. Now, as far as this Eco Styler gel, this is hands down my best twist out that I've ever got. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this twist out is so bomb. I'm so happy with my results. Like, this is a new staple for me. I love the way it smells. I love the way it feels in my hair, the definition that I got, and it elongates my hair. And if you get it from your local beauty supply, the pricing is great. Just do not purchase it from the Eco Styler website. If you're in the Dallas area, check Jenny Beauty Supply off of I-20. That is where I purchased mine, and they have a bunch, different sizes, even one that's bigger than this one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.